Walk your upper body as far to the right as it can go. Keep the legs and the hips where they are. Start to feel a bit of a stretch to the left side body. And come back to being open to sounds, to listening. Bring the arms back to the center. Pause here for a moment. Then walk your upper body as far to the left as it can go, till you start to feel a lovely stress along the right side body. Then come to stillness. And when listening, that can also include being aware of sensations within the body, listening to the body. So you can choose to listen to the sounds around you. You can listen to the sounds within you. Or you can simply be aware of sensations. Once again, coming back to the center, just like you began child's pose. But 3 or 4 breaths here.